Hey travelers, welcome to Offbeat Wanderlust, where we explore the world's coolest destinations with a quirky twist. Today, we're diving into the vibrant, artsy, and downright delicious city of Barcelona. Fun fact, did you know Barcelona's beaches didn't exist until the 1992 Olympics? Mind-blowing, right? Now, the best time to visit is from May to June when the weather's perfect for exploring, but the tourist mobs haven't fully invaded. Oh, and getting around? Easy. Grab a Metro card. It's your ticket to the city's wonders. Stick around till the end because number 10 on our list is something you absolutely cannot miss. Trust me, you'll want to wait for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Number 1. Gaudi's Sagrada Familia Fast Track Guided Tour. First stop, let's talk about one of the most iconic buildings in the world, the Sagrada Familia. This mind-bending basilica is still under construction after 140 years. Fast track your way in with a guided tour, because trust me, the lines are longer than a Monday morning. You'll be blown away by Gaudi's intricate designs and surreal architecture. It's like walking into a Salvador Dali painting, but with fewer melting clocks and more holy vibes. And here's a tip, bring binoculars for the tiny details you won't catch with the naked eye. This is definitely a must-see before you die kind of spot. Number 2. Tapas walking tour with food, wine, and history. Ready to snack your way through history? Let's walk, or waddle, into the heart of Barcelona on a tapas tour. You'll sample everything from patatas bravas to jamón ibérico, all while sipping Spanish wine and getting the inside scoop on the city's vibrant history. It's like taking a history class, but with way more delicious food. Pro tip, don't eat beforehand, or you'll miss out on all the glorious gluttony. Bonus, you'll learn what separates good tapas from tourist trap tapas. Yes, it's a thing. And hey, after this tour, you'll be an expert in both history and snacking. Number 3. Skip the line-guided tour of Picasso Museum. Next up, art lovers, you can't miss this one. The Picasso Museum is a treasure trove of Pablo's masterpieces, showcasing everything from his early sketches to his mind-boggling cubist works. Skip the line, because let's face it, who wants to stand around, and dive straight into a guided tour of Picasso's world. You'll learn about his artistic evolution while strolling through a stunning Gothic mansion. Plus, you'll get fun anecdotes about his wild lifestyle. Who knew the guy behind the blue period had such a colorful life? Bonus, after this tour, you'll sound like an art expert at parties. Number 4. Paella cooking experience and Boqueria market tour. Ready to unleash your inner chef? Join a paella cooking class where you'll learn to make this mouth-watering Spanish dish from scratch. First, you'll hit the famous Boqueria market, a vibrant, chaotic explosion of colors, smells, and sounds. You'll pick out the freshest seafood and ingredients, then head to the kitchen for a hands-on cooking session. The best part? You get to eat your creation afterward. Warning. You might never be able to enjoy regular paella again after making it like a pro. And who knows, maybe you'll leave with a Michelin star-worthy recipe in your back pocket. Number 5. Explore the Gothic Quarter's hidden gems. Now, for a little time travel, wander through Barcelona's Gothic Quarter, where every narrow alleyway hides a piece of history. You'll feel like you've stepped into a medieval movie set, minus the dragons, of course. Check out hidden plazas, ancient Roman ruins, and quirky shops selling everything from vintage records to handmade jewelry. Oh, and don't miss the gargoyles. These creepy little guys are scattered all over the Gothic architecture, watching your every move. It's free, fun, and absolutely fascinating. Plus, you'll get some Instagram-worthy shots that'll have your friends asking, "Wait, when did you travel back in time?" Number 6. Sunset at Bunkers del Carmel. For a view that will leave you speechless and maybe a little out of breath, hike up to the Bunkers del Carmel. This spot is a local favorite for sunset watching, and best of all, it's free. Once an anti-aircraft bunker, it now offers panoramic views of the entire city. You can see everything from the Sagrada Familia to the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Pack a picnic, grab a cold drink, and soak in the magic as the sun sets over Barcelona. Pro tip: get there early to snag a good spot. It can get crowded with sunset chasers, but it's totally worth it. Number 7. Discover Parc Güell's whimsical world. Speaking of Gaudi, Parc Güell is like stepping into a fairy tale. Picture candy-colored mosaics, winding paths, and quirky sculptures that make you feel like you've wandered into Wonderland. While entry to the main terrace requires a ticket, wandering around the outer park is free and equally delightful. Don't forget to snap a pic with the famous dragon statue. And here's a fun fact: Gaudi originally designed this as a luxury housing estate. Can you imagine living in a park this whimsical? Whether you're into art, architecture, or just love nature, Parc Güell is a one-of-a-kind experience. Number 8. Montjuïc Magic Fountain Light Show. Ready for some magic? Head to Montjuïc for a spectacular evening at the Magic Fountain. This isn't just any fountain, it's an epic light, water, and music show that'll have you mesmerized. Think of it as Vegas's Bellagio, but with way more Spanish flair. The best part? It's totally free. The show happens in the evenings, and each performance is synced with music, ranging from classical to pop hits. It's perfect for a romantic date night or a fun outing with friends. Just remember, crowds gather early, so claim your spot and get ready for the ultimate waterworks. Number 9. Cycle along Barcelona's waterfront. Want a fun, breezy way to see the city? Rent a bike and cycle along Barcelona's beautiful waterfront. This scenic route takes you past stunning beaches, the bustling Olympic port, and palm tree-lined boulevards. If you're feeling extra adventurous, keep pedaling until you reach the iconic W Hotel for a quick dip in the sea or a beachside drink. Barcelona is super bike-friendly, so you don't have to worry about crazy traffic. Plus, it's a great way to burn off all those tapas. Trust me, there's nothing better than feeling the wind in your hair as you cruise past golden sands. Number 10. Take a day trip to Montserrat Monastery. And here it is, folks, the grand finale. If you're craving an epic escape from the city, Montserrat Monastery is the ultimate day trip. Just an hour outside Barcelona, this breathtaking mountain retreat feels like it's straight out of a movie. You'll explore the ancient monastery, take in the stunning views, and if you're lucky, hear the boys' choir perform live. For the adventurous, there are hiking trails that offer panoramic views of Catalonia. It's the perfect blend of nature, history, and spirituality. Plus, the fresh mountain air is a bonus after a few days in the bustling city. And that's a wrap, fellow wanderers. Thanks for joining me on this offbeat journey through Barcelona. Whether you're an art lover, foodie, history buff, or adventure seeker, this city has something unique for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun and quirky travel guides. Oh, and don't forget to check the description for all the links to these amazing experiences. Until next time, keep wandering and stay curious. See you in the next adventure.